Since May of last year, RCMP arrested nearly 1,200 people at blockades around Fairy Creek on Vancouver Island, done while enforcing a forestry company, Teal Jones's injunction against protesters. Last month, lawyers representing the protesters filed an application to have contempt of court charges stayed due to allegations of police misconduct. This week, a BC Supreme Court judge is asking a second judge to hear the allegations. Karen Minsky is one of the lawyers representing the protesters. She explains the abuse of process application that will be heard.
Designation that a court will determine where, in our case, police misconduct is conduct that offends the law and is conduct that offends the integrity of the court's process.
According to court documents, a few allegations of police misconduct that will be argued include unlawful detention and arrest and systemic use of catch and release arrests. Frontline RCMP members have been ordered to remove any individual identification, expansive exclusion zones and checkpoints, and infringements of civil liberties. Noah Ross, another lawyer representing the protesters, says they are hoping to change the way RCMP use exclusion zones to control the movement of protesters.
We're looking to create legal precedent that doesn't allow the RCMP so easily to rely on that tactic moving forward.
The lawyers say individuals charged with contempt must join their application if they want to have their charges stayed. They will also be collecting operational information and documents from RCMP as they prepare for the case. Minsky says whether or not they are successful, she hopes for clarity on RCMP enforcement injunction powers.
I would ask the court to take a long, hard consideration of enforcement clauses in injunctions and their effects. Police are entitled, they're experts, they're entitled to have some discretion when it comes to enforcing injunctions, but I would submit to the court that it is open to the court to provide additional commentary and jurisprudence.
Lee Wilson, APTN National News, Kitimat.